UFCO Great Rate Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people think low-rate cards don't offer rewards, but the UFCO Great Rate Card combines affordability with practical perks. You won't believe how much you can save on interest while still earning benefits. The card provides a competitive APR, making it ideal for carrying balances occasionally. Rewards include cashback on select categories and Visa signature benefits like purchase protection and travel assistance. There's no annual fee, and the card reports to all 3 credit bureaus, helping maintain or build credit. Digital management tools allow easy monitoring of spending and payments. The downside? Rewards are modest compared to premium cards, and earning potential is lower for users who spend heavily in specific categories. Verdict: worth it for members seeking low interest, practical rewards, and credit building features. Leave it if you want maximum cashback or premium travel rewards.